Check it out! My apple tree is growing lots and lots of apples. Ooh, maybe you could help me pick some apples and we can turn it into an apple pie. Ooh, I'm going to need your help. Go ahead and reach up really high and pretend that you're picking apples. Go ahead, reach, reach, reach. Good job. Can you reach with one hand? Let's start with your right hand. Reach with your right hand. Oh, and bring the apples down. Now let's reach with your left hand. Left hand up. Ooh, and pull the apple down. Great job. I think I'm going to need 6 apples to make an apple pie. Can you help me count 6 apples? Great! Let's pretend to reach for the apples 6 times, and we'll put some apples in this bushel. Here we go. Go reach 1, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 apples. Great job. Let's go take these apples to the kitchen and let's make an apple pie. Thank you so much for helping me pick those apples. Let's count them again and make sure we have 6. Which of these numbers is the number 6? That one in the middle, right! Let's count these apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples! Yum! To make an apple pie, I usually sing a song to help me remember the steps. You can sing along with me if you'd like. For this song, go ahead and clap, clap, clap your hands along, or you can get some stuff from the kitchen to pretend to be a drum. I'm gonna use this whisk and this muffin tin. This is my apple pie song. First you take some apples, then you wash and dry, then you slice them up to make apple pie, yeah, apple pie. Yeah, apple pie. Put the apples in the pie crust, turn the oven high, then you bake it up to make apple pie, yeah, apple pie. Yeah, apple pie. You can serve with ice cream or whipped cream too. You can serve with no toppings, that's up to you. Eat it cold or hot, yeah, I like it a lot. Yeah, apple pie. Yeah, apple pie. Hooray, we did it! Look how beautiful this apple pie turned out. Thank you so much for helping me. I better let it cool down before we eat it. But I'll make sure I'll save a slice for you. Bye, friend! See you next time! Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye! Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye!